Happy Sunday, y'all. It's me. Getting ready to minister through song. It's a happy, awesome Sunday. First Sunday of the month. Happy to see you all in the land of the living. Okay. But I hope you all have an awesome day. This is going to be like super, super short because I got to go in a couple minutes. Um, but you all have an awesome day. Let God know that you appreciate Him however you can, wherever you are. Let Him know that you love Him and you care. All right. See you all later. Like I said, I got to cut this short. Got stuff to do. So, love you guys, and I will talk to you soon. All right. Peace.